Hello, this is Jake, working on the game Be Good, and I just wanted to give a quick look at how things are progressing with the game. So today is, Tuesday? It is Tuesday, about noon, and I'm going to be showing this game for the first time on Friday. So, scrambling madly to get things together, get things into a showable, playable state. So it's going to be pretty quick, just to show you kind of the absurdity of my setup and how I am building this game. So what you see right here is I'm making a lawn. This is going to be some grass in front of the Martin family house. And then I'm going to expand on that and make it into the neighborhood. So I have bags of dough, clay, molding material, tons of just various colors. There's all that. I'll probably talk about that another time. But the main thing to show today is the weird way that I am shooting all of this. So some of this is happening on this camera that I'm using right now, but that's a little bit tricky because I have to actually manually press the button to take a picture, and if I shake a little bit between different shots, then the whole video, the motion version of the animated clay ends up being really shaky, and the focus can change, and it ends up being a mess. So I do have, somewhere around here, I have a tripod, which is just a small, cheap little tripod. Gets the job done sometimes, but again, not quite steady enough. So what I'm using is I have a webcam, and to keep the webcam at the correct angle, I have attached it to a bottle of contact solution. And the way that I'm activating that, like I said, it's not good to have to press a button to take a picture. The way I'm activating that is that webcam is obviously hooked up to my computer, but I don't want to have to go to I have a desktop, or a desktop. I don't want to have to go over to my computer and actually click the mouse each time I want to take a picture, because I'm taking a lot of pictures because there are a lot of frames of animation. So the way that I'm doing that is I have a steering wheel, which is plugged into my computer via a USB drive. By the way, right in the middle of a hectic week, so the room is a mess. You're getting the real deal here. This is how it really happens. This is game development at its finest. Anyway, steering wheel hooked up to the computer. I click a button on there. That takes a snapshot, which, rather than putting that on my monitor, I've actually hooked up to my TV, which is on the Windows Media Player at the moment, which I pause because it would not make a very good video. But yeah, as you can see, whatever the webcam sees, my TV sees, and so I can check what my shot's going to look like and then transfer that to the computer. Now back to the game.